Hey there, and welcome to the Simplify LLC channel. If you're thinking about starting a business in Maryland, forming an LLC is a smart move. It protects your personal assets, gives you tax flexibility, and makes your business look more official. Maryland makes the process pretty simple, but there are a few key steps to follow. So stick around and I'll walk you through everything that you need to know. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications, all right? Let's get into it. Step 1, pick a name that works. Now, before you do anything else, you need to make sure that your business name is available. Maryland requires your LLC name to include limited liability company or LLC. You also can't use words like bank or insurance unless you get special approval. Now, to check if your name is up for grabs, go to the Maryland Business Entity Search tool on the state's website. Step 2, choose someone to handle legal notices. Maryland requires every LLC to have a registered agent, basically someone who agrees to receive legal documents on behalf of your business. This could be you, someone you trust, or a professional service. The only rule is that your registered agent must have a physical address in Maryland and be available during regular business hours. If you don't want your personal address on public record, you can hire a registered agent service for around $100 to $300 per year. Step 3, file the paperwork to make it official. Once you've got your name and registered agent sorted, it's time to file your articles of organization with the Maryland State Department of Assessments and Taxation, or SDAT. This is the document that officially creates your LLC. If you file online, it costs $100, and processing takes about a week. If you mail it in, it costs the same, but can take 4 to 6 weeks. If you're in a hurry, expedited processing costs an extra $50. Get a certified copy just in case. Once your LLC is approved, it's a very good idea to request a certified copy of your articles of organization. Some banks and lenders require this when opening a business account. You can get one from SDAT for $20 plus $1 per extra page. Step 5, write down the rules for your business. Maryland doesn't legally require an operating agreement, but trust me, you will want one. This is the document that spells out how your business is run, who owns what, and what happens if someone leaves. Even if you're a one-person LLC, having an operating agreement can help keep things organized and protect your legal status. Step 6, get your business tax ID for free. Next up, you'll need an EIN, or Employer Identification Number, from the IRS. Think of it like a social security number for your business. You'll need it for taxes, opening a business bank account, and hiring employees. And the good news is that it's absolutely free and only takes a few minutes to apply on the IRS website. Step 7, open a business bank account. So now that you've got your EIN, it is time to open a business bank account. And keeping your personal and finances separate is important for protecting your LLC's legal status. Most banks will ask for your EIN, articles of organization, and sometimes an operating agreement. And shop around for one that has low fees and good perks for small businesses. How much does it cost to start an LLC in Maryland? Let's break the cost down real quick. Filing your articles of organization costs $100. If you want expedited processing, that's an extra $50. Reserving your business name costs $25, and getting a certified copy of your documents is $20 plus $1 per extra page. If you hire a registered agent service, expect to pay $100 to $300 per year. Don't forget these ongoing requirements. And once your LLC is up and running, there are a couple of things you need to keep up with. Every Maryland LLC must file an annual report and personal property tax return by April 15th each year. The filing fee is $300. If you forget, you could end up paying late fees or even lose your LLC's good standing. Depending on what kind of business you run, you might also need licenses or permits. So check with the Maryland Department of Commerce to see what applies to you. You're ready to launch your Maryland LLC. And that's it. You now know exactly how to start an LLC in Maryland. It might seem like a lot of steps, but once you break it down, it's totally doable. If you need extra help, Simplify LLC is here to make the process easy. For more details, check out simplifyllc.com. I'll drop the link in the description below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button for us, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any questions that you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.